Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. First of all, let's understand this data. Here I have different cities and the quantities sold of these products in these cities are given here. This is the source data, and here I have another table where I need to display the quantity sold of this desktop PC for the cities that is given here by using a formula. In this case I can use the VLOOKUP function. So here in this cell press is equal to, then type VLOOKUP, then open parenthesis. Here if you want to see the description of the function, you can click on this question mark. Here you see the detailed description on the function is given here. Here you see about the function. VLOOKUP is called the vertical lookup, which searches down the first column of a range for a key and returns the value of a specified cell in the row found. It means that the VLOOKUP function will search in the first column of the data. Here in the first column of this source data, the cities are given. So the cities given here in the second table will be searched here in the first table, and when the city is found, then it will start searching in the row based on the index number we provide. This index number is the column number for our result. Here in this case we need the result for desktop PC. So this index means the column position of this desktop PC here in this data range. If you count the column, desktop PC is on 1 2 3 4 5 6th column, so the index number will be 6. And here you see the description of every single parameter like the search key, range, index, and it's sorted. You can read them carefully if you are learning this function for the very first time. Let me minimize the details from here. In the search key parameter, we have to put the value that we want to search. Here we want to search this city in the first column, so in the search key click on the city name, then give a comma. In the range, we have to select this source data table this way, then lock this by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard that applies the dollar symbol, because when we copy this formula down, this range should remain constant. Now give a comma. In the index, we have to provide in which column our result is. The desktop PC is on the 6th column of this table, so in the index type 6, give a comma. In this each sorted parameter, we have to put either true or false value. If we need the closest match or the approximate match, then we have to use the true option, and in case of the approximate match, the lookup values should be sorted in ascending order. But here the cities exactly matches with these cities, so we have to use the exact match that is given by false. So here type false. Alternatively, you can also put a 0 here because false is represented by the number 0. Here I am putting false, then close the parenthesis, press enter, and here you got the result. Here it is suggesting for autofill. You can simply click on this tick button, then the formula will be filled down, and here you see the sales quantities of desktop PC for these cities is calculated by using the VLOOKUP. So this is how we can use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. This much for today's video. If you are new here in this channel, I request you to subscribe and also turn on all the notifications so that you will get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.